What's your name again? I can't seem to find you in Who's Who. You're definitely not of the Great Northern Flicker Woodpeckers. Are you sure you're not of the Hampton Woodpeckers? One of the oldest families in the city? They eat here all the time.
I don't know. I'm just a common woodpecker. Look, I brought my money. Can't I just eat something? I'm starving.
Let's see. Common woodpecker. It's got to be in here somewhere. Common woodpecker. Common woodpecker. Common woodpecker? Shave Wally doesn't serve anything or anyone common. Imagine that. A common woodpecker trying to eat a shave Wally.
My money! So I'm not rich enough, huh?
Wow! Did you see that?
I say, is that who I think it is? Oh, yes! It's Lord Crinkle!
You mean the Lord Crinkle?
Yeah, it's Lord Crinkle, the famous polo player. The famous rich polo player. Rich!
Get it?
Yumpin' Yiminy. It's Lord Crinkle, the famous rich polo player.
Lord Crinkle here. That's Lord Crinkle of the Oxford Crinkles. Do be good and give us a menu. There's a good chap. My, you're thin for a maitre d'.
Lord Crinkle, I'm over here.
Huh? Did somebody say something? Who said that?
I did, Lord Crinkle.
Huh?
Over here, Lord Crinkle.
Huh? Where? Who is this? Now stay still, whoever you are.
Lord Crinkle, can I show you to a table?
A table? What are you doing down there? How do you expect to run a restaurant from the floor?
Please, Lord Crinkle, let me show you to a table.
A table? Oh, no, dear boy, I couldn't do that. I'm here to scout out the restaurant for the Duke.
The Duke?
Yes, the Duke. He'll be here in a minute.
Good evening, Mr. Duke.
Is this restaurant clean?
Yeah, it's clean.
We'll see about that. Fork? Look at this filth. Now clean that fork.
I think it's clean now, Duke.
Still dirty.
I've got it this time. Like this?
Nope. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present Her Royal Majesty, the Queen!
The Queen? The Queen?
Here comes the Queen.
Oh, royalty! Big money!
Ooh, the Queen!
Welcome to Shave Wally, Your Majesty.
Ooh, you may kiss my hand.
Mwah!
Now you may kiss the royal foot.
Ah!
You, sir, should be grateful grateful that you are one of the select few who has kissed the royal foot. Have you food? Have you any more food? That was a wonderful appetizer, Mr. Walrus.
Appetizer? That was an appetizer?
Yes, I'll be ready for my dinner after I pay you the proper respects. Mr. Walrus, you may kneel.
Kneel? You mean knighthood?
Your Majesty.
I dub thee Sir Sweat of Walrus. I'm ready for my second course now.
Whoa!
Why, you Woodpecker!
I dub you Sir Freeloader. I dub you Sir Mooch. I dub you Sir Loafer. I dub you Sir Slacker.